shit up, TNT.
LC.
Yeah, man. I love the way this beat sound right here, man. It's such a struggle, be a real man when the odds stacked against you. God bless you and forgive you for the sins you committed. So many people with bad intentions asking you all these questions just to spark up a conversation, but really hating on you on the low, cause you getting to the dough. Why I keep my pole, make it blow, so you better slow your roll. It's just me, myself, and I. Girl, I don't wanna hear that you let me, or you hear from me, cause I know you lying. You just want my money, I'm no dummy, I lied. I get stupid dumb, a nigga run up on this 4-5. You can run away, but this bullet's gonna hit you right up in your spine. Walk it down, it's a flat line. Don't get me wrong, I talk to God a lot. Not real religious, but I got beliefs. Granny say I'm going to hell, but I'm already there. Man, I stay in some heat. I don't need no lighter, put this blunt up in the air. My life was never fair, but I'm over it now. I'm grown now, doing what I can as a man. Do my best that I can to stay away from that jail cell. Won't never do my dirt with my dog, cause I know that nigga gonna tell. It's so hard just to get you $1. Long conversations with my father, screaming to the top my lungs, about to kill a nigga. Dedicated, get my shit together. I can't see or hear you haters like I'm Helen Keller. Feathers up a bird, flock together. Doing good now, but why it's such a shocker? Orange run my bag, secure like a locker. People call me with their problems, nigga, I'm no damn doctor. Talking out the side of your neck gon' make me pop ya.